Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller. How would you like to grow the perfect garden and at the same time help keep tons of trimmings out of the landfill? If you haven't heard about Texas Pure products, listen carefully. The results are amazing. You probably don't give much thought to what happens to your yard trimmings once it leaves the curb. We grind your grass, leaves, and tree branches and then take it to the regional compost facility in Melissa. We combine it with organics from grocery stores and markets. It takes about a year to become high-quality compost, top dressing, and mulch. The products then go on sale, either bagged or bulk, for pickup or delivery at an affordable price. The yard trimmings come from Plano's neighboring cities too. This 30-year-old partnership with Allen, Frisco, McKinney, Richardson, and the North Texas Municipal Water District diverts about 60,000 tons of yard debris from the landfill every year. You can purchase Texas Pure products here at the Custer Road retail store or online. For a list of retailers and everything else you need to know, go to texaspureproducts.com. We'll see you soon for another Stoller on the Street.